We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. We have a frame-off restored 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie Skyliner. Retractable hardtop, factory air, brakes, steering, power windows, power seat, power top. Thunderbird Special 332, 3-speed automatic, factory. This is a looker. Everything on the car works. Just an amazing car. All the chrome trim, bright work, body lines, just super fantastic on this car. Don't get much better. I don't know what other option you could have got on this car from the factory, but it is nice. Just attention to detail on the restoration. Just absolutely amazing. Got the dual spotlights and act as your side view mirrors. Both are full functioning. I said, all the chrome, the trim, the bright work is just absolutely stunning on the car. Body lines. I did see a couple. There's a little chip there, a little chip there, a little imperfection there. One more. No, that isn't even a chip, but one little imperfection there. Being very picky on this car, but it is stand-up quality. You'll be able to find all these pictures that we took today along with the video at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video. Leave your comments below. Help us grow the channel. Just an amazing car. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Continental kit, and it just screams 1959. Just a very nicely done. Extreme attention to detail on this car during the restoration. First year for the Galaxie. Just look at that. I mean, just nicely done. Look at your wing windows. Fantastic. You know, those are usually some of the most expensive parts to restore on almost any car. Side view mirror, floodlight. Said both work. Dash. Factory air again. There was a little chip right there. We will touch that up. This interior's in amazing condition. Jams are done. Factory correct plastic seat covering. Got my clock in there, but got the Owner's manual, just nicely done. Clock works, factory radio works, AC blows cold, all the interior lights, all that stuff is working. So just look at the attention to detail on this car is amazing. Just a very quality restoration. These cars are extremely expensive to restore. Underneath of the car is fantastic. It's painted white like it should be. It's correct. Like to fly in person and check this out, forward us your flight itinerary. We'll be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. St. Louis International, Lambert, one and the same. Again, power windows. It does have a power seat, currently is not working. We are going to look into that, but cannot guarantee that one. But the power windows, all the lights, gauges, AC, factory radio, all that, full functioning. Just look at the steering column. We'll fire this up and then put the top up. Push the button, put it off. Air blows ice cold. Again, 3-speed automatic. Just a strong running. It's got the Thunderbird 332 special in it. Great running and driving vehicle. Passing gear works. No issues. Like I said, this is a strong running car. Get in it and drive it anywhere. 2,702 miles on the car since the restoration. Your temperature gauge, your gasket. Whoa, that was my bad. Excellent car. Call us at 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. Thanks for watching.